Hello, I'm Nereé, and this is Discover Together at Halton Hills Public Library. Let's discover solar robots. Visit our website at www.hhpl.on.ca to borrow this kit with your library card. Let's get started. In your solar robot kit, you'll find your instructions along with guidelines to help you in building. You'll also find all of the parts for the robot in labeled bags that make it super easy to figure out what you're doing. And of course, you'll find your robot, both the body and the head. For this particular kit, I needed the plastic boat, but of course that will depend on which robot kit you choose. The first thing you want to do when building your robot is make sure that you have all the pieces that you need. Use your instruction sheet, go through your baggies, make sure that everything that's labeled is what's matching your instruction sheet. And then we start following the steps step by step until we've built all of the pieces needed for our robot. One thing that really helped me when building was taking my time. Using a clean, clear surface to build really helped keep me organized and helped me to focus on each individual part of my robot. Some of the pieces were a bit trickier to get into place. I just simply used a little bit extra muscle. If you need to ask someone for help, it'd be a great time to do so for some of the parts that are a little bit harder to get into. Because each robot will ask for different things, I'm speeding through this part just so you understand that it's not about the specific robot in this video, but about the method. So I'm taking my time to make sure that the pieces are lined up correctly, that they match what the images show on the instruction sheet, and I'm doing my part to keep my workspace fairly clean and organized. For some reason, I just couldn't get my blue piece into the A2 gray piece. I don't know what I was doing wrong, but it just wouldn't sit the way it's supposed to sit. I think I tried it about 5 times, and then eventually I got it. So be patient, take your time, and be gentle with yourself. As you can see, it took me about 7 or 8 times until I actually got that one piece to fit, and then I moved on to the next step. head to my robot was only putting on one side of the gray piece of the neck at a time. So I would attach one piece to the actual head, and then I would attach another piece to the robot body, and then I would sort of connect those two in the middle. That was the easiest way for me. If you have smaller hands, then maybe you don't need to do that, but in order for me to really get in there to sort of pinch the neck pieces together to hold the head, I really had to separate them. And there you have it. Now that our robot is all built, let's head outside to some sunshine to make sure it works. If you can't get outside, a 1000 watt halogen bulb will do the trick as well. To get your robot powered up, simply attach the black cable to the left side of the robot's head when it's facing away from you, and the red cable to the right side. Thank you for watching. Are you ready to discover something new? Head on over to our website and search Discover Together and place one of these kits on hold. Don't forget your library card. Bye!